Nani sir, yes. Nani is a gem of a person. I cannot begin to explain how much I had fun working with him, and we had a lot of conversations. ரொம்ப ஜெனுவினான ஒரு பர்சன். அண்ட் எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி தெரியாது அவர் வந்து டிரெக்ஷன் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்தாரு, டிரெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு தான் வந்தாருன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. So many inputs or small things that we had conversations about. I will really cherish it for the rest of my life. Priyanka, this is the second time I'm acting with you, even though it's a small portion. Adiliyum small portion, idiliyum small portion, but I hope we have a bigger portion in future. S.J. Surya sir, உங்களை பத்தி நான் சொல்லணும்னு அவசியமே இல்லை. ஏன்னா his performance is so intense in everything that I've seen. So I unfortunately didn't have any